video shows how PCSnext can be used to perform a system diagnosis. A memory value recording is used to record system parameters, which are then evaluated in a subsequent diagnosis. This requires a connection to the device. Watch the video, Interface Configuration, to learn how to connect to the device. Open the workflow, Display Network Memory Values. To create a recording, the necessary memory values must first be configured. These memory values are already prepared in an XRC file, which can be provided by ME Mobile Electronic. Import the file by clicking on the Import Memory Value Definition button. Select the memory values you want to record by clicking the button behind the respective value. You can also use the Deactivate All Entries and Activate All Entries buttons to deactivate or activate all memory values. Once you have finished configuring the memory values, proceed to Next Workflow Step 2 of 2. In the tabular view of the selected memory values, you can see not only the current value, but also the minimum and maximum values that were read during recording. You can start and stop the measurement using the stop and play buttons. The chart button can be used to switch from the tabular view to the chart view. Individual areas of the screen can be hidden using the Hide Cursor Values and Hide Axis Scale buttons. You can pause, stop, and start the measurement using the pause, stop, and play buttons. To display individual measured values, activate one of the two cursors and move it with the mouse pointer to the point in time you want to analyze. Scroll with the scroll wheel in the diagram to get a more detailed view. In the overview below, you can select the area of the recording that you want to analyze. If both cursors are activated, a third column with values appears in the table. Here, either the deviation or the slope between cursor 1 and cursor 2 can be displayed. To achieve a clearer overview in the chart display, individual memory values can be shown or hidden. The memory values recording can be exported and saved locally on the computer using the Export Recorded Chart Values button.